Good timing, lad. I sent 2 of my best knights into parley with the orc leader. They should be returning shortly. Damn. These orcs will never surrender.
Then let's get in there and destroy the beasts.
Remember, Arthas, we are paladins. Vengeance cannot be a part of what we must do. If we allow our passions to turn to bloodlust, we will become as vile as the orcs.
Yes, Uther.
If you're feeling up to it, I want you to lead the attack.
Me?
Well, of course.
I'll remain here and ensure that none of the loathsome beasts threaten the camp.
I won't fail you.
I know you won't, lad.
What is it?
I stand for the light.
More
More
work?
gold is required. More gold.
Off I go then. Ready to work.
I'm here to help. Of course. Certainly.
Ready to work. Ready to work. What is it? Job's done. Righto. What?
More gold is required.
Yes, me lord. Work. Ready to work.
The light is my strength. Foul knave.
Yes, me lord. Job's done. I go then. Ready to work.
Our town is under
More
siege.
work.
I'm here to help. For honor.
Betrayer of the light. Complete.
Ready to work.
Certainly. A sound plan.
Justice has come.
What is it? What? Job's done.
Is there danger? Of course.
Ready to work.
More lumber is required.
Yes, me lord.
I stand for the light.
Ready to work.
Well met, good human. Have you come to join in our hunt?
What are you dwarves hunting in this region?
We're hunting black drakes. It's said that drake's blood can bestow fiery enchantments upon weapons.
The fiery enchantments you seek could prove useful.
The name of the beast we're hunting is Searinox. With your aid, the monster won't stand a chance.
Job's done.
I stand for the light.
Aye, sir. Aye.
What is it? Job's done. Yes, me lord.
What do you need? I'm your shooter. Aye, sir. What do you need?
Is there danger?
Our town is under siege.
I'm here to help.
Feel my wrath.
Certainly. A sound plan.
Want the money?
Betrayer of the light.
A sound plan.
Justice has come.
For honor. A sound plan.
Build more bombs.
Job's done. What is it?
I stand for the light.
What? I can't build righto.
More gold is required.
Certainly. Of course. For honor. A sound plan. Of course. For honor.
I'm your shooter. Locked and loaded.
Is there danger?
What do you need?
I stand for the light.
Job's done. Yes, me
More
lord.
gold is required.
Job's done. I go then. More work. Righto.
Locked and loaded.
The light is my strength.
Job's done. What? Off I go then.
Justice shall be done. Certainly.
Job's
A sound
done.
plan. Certainly. For honor. Of course. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly. Of course.
Job's
Certainly.
done.
A sound plan. Of course. A sound plan. Of course.
You dare challenge me? You mortals become more reckless with every generation.
For honor.
Justice.
Certainly. For honor. Certainly. Let's bring this heart back to the dwarves. And for the light. A sound plan.
More work. What? Righto. What is it? All right. What? Yes, me lord. Yes, me lord. What? Off I go then.
The light is my strength.
Now I will reforge our weapons to strike with searing heat.
Our forces are under attack. Job's done.
Yes, my lord. What do you need? Aye, aye.
Is there danger? The light.
What is it?
I'm here to help. For honor.
What? Upgrade righto.
Okay. I'm your shooter. You have a target? Okay.
The light is my strength.
Say the word.
Yes, me lord. All right. Job's done. What? Yes, me lord.
Locked and
Off I
loaded.
go then. Yes, me lord.
I stand for the light. Is there danger?
More work. Job's done. All right. Off I go then.
Research complete.
Ready for
Job's
action.
done.
What do you need? Orders? Say the word.
I'm
my
here to
lord.
help. Of course. Is there danger?
What? More work.
Yes, my lord. What do you need?
Job's done.
Justice shall be done.
Aye, sir. I'll take care of it.
The light is my strength.
Betrayer of the light. Ready for action.
Certainly. For honor. Certainly. Of course. For honor. Of course. Foul knave. For honor.
Say the word. On my way.
Research complete. What? Righto. What is it? Yes, me lord. More work?
Ready for action.
I'm here to help. A sound plan.
Ready for action. What do you need? Orders? Say the word.
Is there danger?
Paladin fool! The warlocks of the Black Rock clan have spoken. Soon, demons will rain from the sky, and this wretched world will burn.
Yes, I've heard this rhetoric before. You orcs will never learn. It was only a mirror image. Damn it. What are these curs up to?
The hour of doom approaches. Let this paltry sacrifice appease our demon masters.
You sick bastards. You'll never get away with me.
Slay the orcs.
Slay them all!
Ready for action. Orders? Aye, my lord.
Justice shall be done. Certainly. Of course. For honor. For my father.
What do you need? What do you need? Say the word.
A sound plan.
Ready for action. You have a target? Of course.
Justice shall be done. Of course. For honor. A sound plan. Justice. For honor.
Say the word. Orders?
I stand.
I'm your shooter. Take that, you.
I'm here to help. For honor.
Yes, my liege.
Justice shall be done. Is there danger? A sound plan. For my father. Certainly. Feel my life. A sound plan. Justice is come.
What do you need? Orders? I'm your shooter.
The light is
Yes, my liege. Aye, sir. Say the word.
Is there danger?
What do you need? Aye, sir. What do you need? Orders? Aye, my lord. You have a target? What do you need? You need? Aye, sir. Aye, sir.
The light is my strength.
Yes, my liege.
I stand for the light.
Betrayer of the light. light. I'm your suitor. Aye, sir. I'm your suitor.
Justice shall be done.
Ready?
Is there danger?
What do you need? You have a target? I'll take care of it. Time to go.
I stand for the light.
Orders?
For honor. Certainly. For honor. I'm here to help.
Aye, sir. You have a target? Aye.
Our forces are under attack.
Is there danger?
What do you need?
I stand for the light. A sound plan. For my father.
Feel my wrath. I'm your... You have a target? Aye, sir. Shoot to go!
The light is my strength.
Say the word. On my way. I'm your suitor. Okay.
Justice shall be done.
Orders? Let me out. What do you need? You have a target? For Iron Force! Yes, my lord. Say the word. Take that. You need.
Justice shall be done.
You've done well, lad. This was a sound victory.
I don't know, Uther. The orcs were sacrificing townsfolk. I think they were trying to summon demons.
Have faith, lad. These orcs are trying to hold on to dying traditions. We defeated their demons a long time ago. Let's head for home. It's been a long day.